In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload post on Instagram by Hootsuite. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to log in, create a post, choose your Instagram account, upload your media, add a caption and hashtags, and then either post right away or schedule it for later. First, log into Hootsuite. Open your browser, go to the Hootsuite website, and sign in using the account you use for managing social media. Once you are logged in, you should see your Hootsuite dashboard. This matters because the dashboard is where you will find the tools to create and publish content. Next, click Create, then choose Post. Take a moment to look at the top or left side of the interface, depending on how your layout is set up. The Create option is where Hootsuite gathers publishing tools in one place. Selecting Post will take you into the Composer, where you can prepare your Instagram content before it goes live. Now, select your Instagram account. In the posting screen, you should see an area to choose which social profile you want to publish to. Pick the Instagram account you want to use and confirm it is the correct one before you upload anything. Choosing the right account is important because it determines where your photo or video will appear. After that, upload your photo or video. Look for the upload area or the button that lets you add media. Select the file from your computer or follow the prompt that helps you add a photo or video to the post. Once the upload finishes, you should see a preview of your media in the Composer. This preview is your chance to confirm the image or video is the one you intended to post. Then, add your caption and hashtags. In the text field provided, type the caption you want your followers to read. After your caption, include hashtags that match the topic of your post. Keep them relevant and clear, since hashtags help people discover your content and understand what the post is about. Also, take a quick look at how the caption displays in the preview area. If the interface shows it, so you can confirm formatting and readability. Once your caption and hashtags are ready, you are almost done. The final step is to choose how you want the post to go live by using either Post Now or Schedule. If you click Post Now, Hootsuite will publish immediately using the Instagram account you selected. If you choose Schedule, you will be able to set a future date and time for the post to publish automatically. Scheduling can be useful when you want your content to appear at a specific time for your audience. Before you confirm, review the key details one last time. Make sure the correct Instagram account is selected, check that the uploaded media preview looks right, and confirm the caption and hashtags are exactly how you want them. This quick review helps prevent common mistakes like posting the wrong file or using a caption you did not intend. When you are satisfied, click the option that matches your plan, either Post Now or Schedule. After you submit, Hootsuite should begin the publishing process. If you scheduled it, you should see it listed in your scheduled content area where you can track it until it goes live. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.